Hey everyone, if you're tuned in, you're probably thinking about a career in massage therapy.
Maybe even looking into Texas Massage Academy.
Yeah, exactly.
Extreme move.
And you want to know what the buzz is all about, right?
Yeah.
Like, what are actual students saying? So
Definitely.
we've got all this stuff here, like videos from students and snippets from the TMA website and even their course catalog.
Yeah, we really went all out.
Oh yeah, big time. I may or may not have gone down a rabbit hole with all the massage techniques. Oh, I bet. Another time for that, though.
Definitely for another time.
But, okay, so one thing that really jumps out is just how much these students love TMA.
Absolutely. The amount of positive feedback is pretty remarkable.
Yeah, and it seems like everyone's talking about how much they love this hybrid learning setup.
Yeah, it seems like a game changer.
Right. Because life doesn't just stop when you decide to go to massage school.
Nope, not at all.
Like in one of the videos, there's this mom, she's got 3 kids and a full-time job.
Wow.
And she's saying there's no way she could have done it without that hybrid model.
I mean, think about it.
Yeah.
A lot of potential students worry about balancing everything, and this model gives them that control.
It's like, fitting school into your life instead of, the other way around.
Exactly.
And speaking of fitting things into your life,
Oh.
let's talk about money.
Right, because massage school isn't exactly...
Cheap.
Yeah,
Right.
no, it's not known for that. But TMA, they seem to be doing things differently.
It seems that way.
Yeah, and even in one of the testimonials, the student mentions being surprised by how reasonable the tuition is.
And they've got those payment plan options too.
Yeah, and in the catalog, they even mention that the payment plans are interest-free.
Which is a huge plus, let's be honest.
It's a huge plus.
Especially these days with, student loans being what they are.
Oh, totally. It's
There we go.
refreshing. Okay, but get this.
What?
So their advanced core program, right,
Right.
which actually includes even more internship hours,
Oh, wow.
is cheaper than their core program.
You're kidding?
Nope.
Really? That's fascinating. I know. It's like backwards or something.
That's a really interesting choice. Like,
Right.
they're prioritizing giving students a strong foundation, even if it means less money for them.
Exactly.
It shows you where their priorities lie.
Yeah, they're not just about, collecting tuition.
Nope.
They actually want their students to succeed.
I like that.
Okay, but let's talk about the hands-on training.
The heart of it all.
Right, because you can't just read about massage, you got to do it.
Absolutely.
And in Texas Massage Academy, they're getting rave reviews for this.
From what we've seen, yeah, their hands-on training and the learning environment are top-notch.
Like, there's this one student who is super nervous about the hands-on part at first.
Understandably so.
Oh yeah, totally. But she ended up feeling really confident because of all the practice and because the instructors were so great.
Yeah, they really seem to prioritize creating a safe space for learning.
Yeah, for sure. So, speaking of the hands-on stuff,
Okay.
the catalog actually breaks down all the lab hours
Yeah.
and the different techniques they focus on.
Oh, yeah, the bread and butter stuff like Swedish massage,
Yeah.
deep tissue.
And trigger point therapy.
It's good to see that they hit all the basics.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
And one student even mentioned getting to work on the instructors themselves during the hands-on training and getting feedback.
Oh, wow.
I mean, talk about learning from the best, right?
That's a great opportunity.
Honestly, I wouldn't mind being a test subject for that
Yeah.
part.
Haha. While I admire your enthusiasm,
Yeah.
let's remember this is about you and your journey into massage therapy.
Right.
But it is clear that hands-on experience is crucial.
For building confidence and bridging the gap between the theory and actually doing it.
Exactly.
So we've got this flexible schedule and the affordable tuition and then all the hands-on training on top of that.
It's shaping up to be a pretty compelling picture.
Yeah. So what do you think is drawing people to Texas Massage Academy?
That's a good question. I think it's that they offer the whole package.
Yeah.
That combination of flexibility, affordability, and a really supportive learning environment.
It seems like they really get what today's massage students need.
Absolutely. They're hitting all the right notes.
But there's one thing we haven't talked about yet.
You're thinking about their online-only option, aren't you?
Yeah. We should definitely save that for part 2.
I think so, too. It deserves its own deep dive.
Definitely.